On this vote, the yeas are 53, the nays are 47, and this nomination is confirmed.
And with those words, Ketanji Brown-Jackson became the 116th Justice of the Supreme Court, the fifth woman and just the first black woman to sit on the nation's highest court, a lifetime appointment.
Mr. President, this is a wonderful day, a joyous day, an inspiring day for the Senate, for the Supreme Court, and for the United States of America. Ketanji Brown-Jackson will be the first African-American woman ever to hold the title of justice. Think about the impact that will have on our democracy. Untold millions of kids will open textbooks and see pictures of Justice Jackson among the highest ranks of our public figures. How many millions of kids in generations past could have benefited from such a role model? How many would-be justices, lawyers, doctors, generals, business people have been lost to history precisely because their history books had few, if any, role models that they could relate to? We certainly have a long way to go on the road to true justice, but by confirming Judge Jackson today, we are taking a bold step forward towards reaching the full realization of our country's promise.
Republicans were almost united in their opposition, branding the nominee as a far-left Democratic partisan. But for three moderate senators, Lisa Murkowski, Susan Collins and Mitt Romney, who broke with their caucus.
President Biden was elected on the promise that he would govern as a moderate and unite the country. He insisted the radical left would not be calling the shots on his watch. But when it came to one of the most consequential decisions a president can make, a lifetime appointment to our highest court, the Biden administration let the radicals run the show. With Washington Democrats in power, the far left got the reckless inflationary spending they wanted. The far left has gotten the insecure border they wanted. And today, the far left will get the Supreme Court justice they wanted.
Her successful confirmation seen as a victory for President Joe Biden, who had promised to name a black woman to the court when he ran for office in 2020. This was Brown-Jackson during a Senate Judiciary confirmation hearing in March.
If I am confirmed, I commit to you that I will work productively to support and defend the Constitution and this grand experiment of American democracy that has endured over these past 246 years. I have been a judge for nearly a decade now, and I take that responsibility and my duty to be independent very seriously. I decide cases from a neutral posture. I evaluate the facts, and I interpret and apply the law to the facts of the case before me without fear or favor, consistent with my judicial oath.
President Biden tweeted that Judge Jackson's confirmation was a historic moment for the nation.
Biden also said that the country had taken another step towards making its highest court reflect the diversity of America, and that Brown-Jackson, who watched the confirmation vote alongside him, would make an incredible justice, and that he was honored to share the moment with her. The White House expected to host a celebratory event on its South Lawn in Washington on Friday. Shervin Briceby's SABC News, New York.